Today we're going to take Perplexity Computer for a spin. Now, I haven't tried it, so together we're going to basically look at how can we use this, how can entrepreneurs use this to make money and be more productive.
This AI tells you exactly how to make money with it before you do anything.
We're actually going to ask it to tell us what are the top use cases to use, and we're going to test it out and see if it's any good. You've probably seen Perplexity Computer and you might have bookmarked it, but today we're actually going to see if it's super valuable. So let's just get it.
Perplexity Computer is not a search engine anymore. It runs tasks, browses the web, and works for you. You just ask it what it can do. It gives you the whole playbook.
Right into it. I'm going to just say, hey, I want to know the 5 best use cases, non-obvious.
Step 2 is where it stops talking and actually starts doing the work.
Outbound at scale. So personalized prospect, research, and outreach in one shot. So let's go ahead and try this. We're actually, I guess you can press copy right over here. And I guess you want to start a task. So here's a list of 30 companies I want to sell to. For each one, find the founder, CEO on LinkedIn.
You give it a list of companies. It finds the right person, researches them, writes a personal email, and sends it from your Gmail. No VA, no copywriter, no manual work.
Research their company's recent news, funding, and pain points, and then draft a hyper-personalized cold email referencing something specific about them. Send each email via my connected Gmail. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So that's actually pretty cool. You have your tasks over here. You can go back and forth. I think that's pretty clean.
Step 3 shows you how it keeps working, even when you're not.
Automated competitive intel on autopilot, recurring monitoring with push alerts. Every morning at 8 a.m., check these 5 competitors' websites for pricing changes, new feature announcements, and any new blog posts. Also search X for any mentions of them. If anything has changed since yesterday, send me a push notification with a summary. And if nothing has changed, stay quiet.
Every morning at 8 a.m., this tool checks your competitors' websites, pricing, and social media. Something changed. You get an alert. Nothing changed. Total silence. You stay ahead without touching anything.
Why is this mind-blowing? This turns a computer into a persistent competitive intelligence agent that runs every day without you touching it. It browses their actual websites, compares it what it found yesterday. Okay, let's go and see if this works. We're going to head and start a new task. I'm going to go ahead, and you can see what's cool. You can also just dictate here, but you don't need to. And I could see myself getting used to this. I don't know about you, but I can.
Step 4 is where it does something that used to cost thousands to outsource.
Let's go back and do another use case. Investor pipeline research, deep dive 50 VCs before you fundraise. Here are 50 VC firms I'm considering raising for my Series A. For each one, find their most recent fund size, partner, blah, blah, blah. Put it all into a spreadsheet. Why it's interesting, computer runs batch research.
Give it your company name. It finds the right investors, pulls fund sizes, partner names, recent deals, and drops everything into a clean spreadsheet. All at once. No analyst needed.
Across 50 firms in parallel, web, search, social, and X, LinkedIn. You get back a structured spreadsheet with everything. I'm not that interested in raising money from VCs, but I am interested in seeing how this could work and how you can create spreadsheets. So we're just going to test to see how this is able to do.
Step 5 is where content creators are going to lose their minds.
Turn a podcast episode into a full content machine. Whoa, that's cool. So here's my latest podcast recording. Transcribe it with speaker labels.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
Write a 100-word blog post, pull out the 5 most tweetable quotes. That's really interesting. So it's cool that you can do that. I'm not going to do that because I don't have an audio file handy.
It transcribes your episode, writes a blog post, pulls your best quotes for Twitter, and builds a LinkedIn carousel. Agencies charge thousands a month for this. You just did it in seconds.
But basically what you can do is you can set up so that every time, like you can set up a recurring workflow, I guess, like every time you launch a new podcast, you can extend it to, blog posts, tweetable quotes.
Step 6 is where it becomes your personal financial analyst on demand.
Really cool. All right, while it's doing this, let's go ahead and check our last use case, live market diligence on a deal. A full investment memo from a single ticker. Build me an investment research memo on Shop. It's Shopify. Pull their latest financials, earnings, transcript highlights, compare their margins and growth to...
Give it one stock ticker. It pulls financials, compares competitors, checks what analysts are saying, and builds a full PDF with charts. No finance degree, no team, just one prompt.
BigCommerce and Wix. Check what analysts and finance Twitter are saying and compile into a polished PDF with charts. I want bull case, bear case, and your assessment. I've been seeing on X a lot of people using Perplexity Computer with the use case of using it as like a financial analyst.
This is the unfair advantage most 9 to 5 people don't know exists yet, but now you do. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.